Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to the August 2025 Moongate update. It gives me great pleasure to welcome Trevor McDonald, the hotel general manager who has joined us recently and who will be here leading the entire hotel team. So I'd like to give Trevor this opportunity to say his first words to camera.
So I'm really happy to be here, and I'm looking forward to opening the hotel and offering gracious hospitality to everyone. Welcome.
Welcome Trevor, real pleasure to have you join us. So here we are under what will be the main dining room, which will be set up with a central line of chandeliers, ceiling fans, artificial trees, and then on either side planters filled with beautiful Helen Johnson bougainvillea, and tables and chairs along the handrail on both sides. Very intimate seating along the main dining room, seating on the outer balcony, looking over the planter to the swimming pool, guests under umbrellas along on loungers, and then all the way down to the end, across the covered walkway, and then up the steps into the pool bar, or indeed you can walk around the courtyard, down the ramp, past the spa, and up towards reception. Travelling through reception where you'll be greeted. On our right will be the lobby bar, which is our piano bar, and then on the left the other porte cochere for allowing you to be picked up by or dropped off by golf cart. So thank you everyone again for your attention for our August 2025 Moongate Antigua update. Looking forward to seeing you all in October. Until then, please stay safe and keep well.